Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make very healthy breakfast. For that you need a glass container and add 60 grams of oats. Now add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 10 to 12 almonds or any other dry fruit of your own choice, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of this natural honey. It depends on your own choice of sweetness, you can change it accordingly. Now I am adding 15 to 20 blueberries. I am using dried blueberries, you can use fresh or the frozen ones also. As you know that blueberries are high in antioxidants and it's a superfood, so they are very beneficial if you add them in your breakfast. I am adding 1 cup of milk. I am using almond milk here. You can use milk of your own choice like oats milk, low fat milk or lactose free milk if you are lactose intolerant. Now mix it well. Now put it in an airtight container for 2 to 3 hours in refrigerator, or you can keep it overnight as well and take it in breakfast in the morning. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and let me know in the comment box. Thank you.